If you're a sales representative using Monday.com and want to send contracts for signature without leaving your workflows, this video is for you. This use case is perfect for sales teams who need to send contract proposals or non-disclosure agreements quickly and securely. With this one-stage setup, you can automate the entire signing process directly from your Monday board. Here's my demo board. It tracks client email, contract status, and the signed contract file. Step 1. Accessing GetSign in Item View. Inside the GetSign item view, the first thing you need to do is install GetSign. Once installed, you can either add a new template or use stored documents. For this demo, I'll click on Add New Template and upload a file. I've already uploaded one earlier, but let's upload it again for demonstration. The file is uploaded. This step only needs to be done once. Step 2. Enabling Signature Collection. Now we need to collect a signature, so we'll toggle on the Signature Collection option. In the configuration, you'll select the column where the signed documents will be stored. I'm choosing the Signed Contract column. Step 3. Setting up email delivery. In the GetSign email delivery settings, you'll need to fill out a few details for the email. Enter the sender's name and email address. Then click Save. You'll be prompted to verify the email. Once verified, you're ready to proceed. Step 4. Placing the signature placeholder. Now you need to show the signature placeholder on the document. Click on Edit to open the GetSign editor. Drag and drop the signature field where you want the client to sign. After placing it, click Save and close the window. Step 5. Sending the contract. Now you're ready to send. Click Send or use the Generate Link or Copy Link options. The email has now been sent to the client. They'll receive a notification to review and sign the document. Step 6. Client signs the contract. As you can see, the client receives a request to sign. They can review the document, sign it, and finish the process. Once the document is signed, it will automatically update the contract status and the signed copy will appear in the designated column, Signed Contract.